White Rabbit? Wow. See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Wait! Please! He went this way. No, that way. Good night.
Who are you?
This would be a curious place to land.
We lost this chance. I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait! Don't go, please!
Could try this way.
So that the wind is red, we're painting the roses red, and many a tear we shed.
Because we know.
Oh, that's 60 crowns.
That will soon be there.
Oh, and yet we go ahead, painting the roses red.
Her Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen will always win. I think today is my birthday too. Oh no!